for instant indexing. I'm going to show you this tool. This tool is crazy. This tool is killing it. I use the instant indexing tool to index almost hundreds of domains that I have, and we are also running this rank and rent and this building online digital assets. So think about it. Or maybe you have your own website. You are creating pages and creating content, doing everything, backlinks, but they are not getting discovered by Google. So Instant Indexer, this is a tool that is being served by OptilinkAI, AI, and this tool is crazy. We use this tool to index almost all our pages. We do not need to go to Google Search Console, which gives you maybe 10 to 15 indexing every single day. And even sometimes now when you use the Google API, it crawls your pages, but it's not indexing. It shows in Google Search Console discovered, but not indexed. Before you have your pages to be indexed, it's like it's getting crazy. People are doing everything, building backlinks, and their pages are not getting indexed. So we use instant indexing tool from OptilinkAI. AI. This tool help us to index our pages instantly. Sometimes it gets crawled and indexed, but one thing I have to tell you is up to Google to show it in the indexing in the SEP. We don't have control of it. Our what we do is we make sure the tool get the pages crawl and index, and most of the time it happens instantly. Sometimes it takes some time, but by the end of the day, all your pages are going to be crawled, indexed, and shown inside the AI overview. Recently, we used this tool to index one of the pages and the Locando. So if I search best Amazon SEO agencies in Germany, so this page was crawled using Optilink AI indexer. So after it has been crawled, it took few days, and now look, it starts showing and it's number one, Locando24.de. It's ranking number one, and not only number one, but Google is also showing it in the AI overview. And these pages are all from these names, RM Digital 24, are all taken from this page. And look here, let me click on show more. You can see this is the AI overview results page. It's ranking number one, number two. Let me click on show more and see how many. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's ranking 5 times in the AI overview, and also ranking number one, all because of this instant indexer. And here you can see, let me show you some of the features. We have Googlebot, and we have Bingbot, we have Yandex, we have Gemini, and we have ChatGPT, Cloud, Perplexity, and of course we have Grok. So I'm going to show you how it is being done. First of all, let's go back to the home page. Let me go back. Let me remove this. Let me go back and show you something. OptilinkAI.com, and here we have so many things, and down here we have instant indexing. You click on the instant indexing, it's going to take you here where you are going to put in your key and then give you access to it. So once you are here it says accelerate your indexing and discovery. Dispatch a fleet of AI and search engine bots directly to your URLs. Dramatically accelerate content discovery and get your links indexed faster than organic crawling. Because let's say you want to build topical authority. By building topical authority, you need to build, so many articles. You need to show Google that you are an authority in a specific niche or category. You keep on building, creating content, creating pages, but you end up nothing because they are not being discovered. They are not being crawled. They are not being shown in the SEP search engine results page. By using these services, instant indexing, Google crawl and index everything instantly, or it takes few days, but it's going to appear in the SEP search engine result page. So the first thing to do here, we go here, we have indexing tips. So let's read the tips and see what it says. To maximize the effectiveness of this tool, ensure you have complete these essential steps. Very important, okay? Submit your XML sitemap to Google Search Console immediately. Important point. So you cannot use Google services without being part of the console. Of course, you can run your website without being part of the console, but sometimes you have to wait very long for Google to crawl your sitemap and know how many pages you have inside your sitemap, which is taking so long. That is why we want people, I mean, depending on what you do, category and niche, it's good if you have your website registered with Google Search Console and also put in your sitemap. So anytime you create content, anytime you create pages, the Search Console is automatically going to know that you have a new page inside and it's going to crawl it. But the problem is Google is so I mean recently they have been very careful when it comes to crawling and indexing for them to save so much money, the crawling budget, you know. So let's continue. Ensure your site is verified in Bing Webmaster Tools for broader reach. Very important because Bing is also connected to ChatGPT. If you want your website or your tools, I mean, if you want your pages to be recognized or to be seen and crawl and index as fast as possible, you also have to make sure that it's been submitted to Google Webmaster. Here we have verified that your robot.txt file is not blocking crawler access. Very important. If you don't know anything about this, consult your webmaster or your web designer to make sure that it's not blocking indexing. The OptilinkAI indexer acts as a high priority invitation system. So the crawler invites, I mean, the indexer invite the crawlers from Google, Bing, Yahoo, whatever to come, I mean, to see your pages, to see your domains, your URLs, crawl them and index them as fast as possible. So this is how it works. When you run a dispatch, our nodes reach out to global AI cores and search engine ping servers instantly. This notifies both that new content is available, inviting them to visit your site within seconds rather than waiting weeks for organic discovery. I hope this is clear. While we invite crawlers to visit and process your content instantly, the final decision to process and display your links in search results rests entirely with Google, Bing, and other search engines. We do not have direct control over their internal ranking or indexing algorithm. Clear. Perfect said, well said, everything is clear. Okay, so now we go to the server update. Click on the server update. Here it says intermediate AI service update required for optimal performance and to bypass aggressive spam screening filters. Submit your URLs to the intermediate update AI server. So what it means is before you start running this instant indexer, make sure you have all your URLs ready. First of all, you go to the server update. Click on access update server. I'm going to access it. I'm going to, what is this? I'm going to put my name. My name is Abdul. And here, activate license key. I'm going to put in the license key that I received. So let's say my license key is so pro and let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is my license key. And here, target URL list. I'm going to paste in my URL list. So what I have to do is, let's say I have some URLs over here. I'm going to copy it, come here and paste it. So I just pasted all my URLs. Submit to AI server. Once I click on the submit to AI server, is the program is going to instantly update the server with the list of the URLs that I just uploaded. So I'm updating it here. Now we go to the crawler tools. So here we have the crawler tools. We have so many bots inside the crawler tools. Here we have Googlebot is activated. Bing, I'm going to activate. Click on it. Okay, it's activated. Yandex, I'm going to click on it because I want to activate all the bots. I want to take advantage of it. Gemini is activated. ChatGPT, I'm going to click on it. All of them are connected using the API. So Cloud, I'm going to click on Cloud. It's also going to activate. Perplexity is also going to activate. And Grok. I never seen such a tool on the internet. I don't know. I've made my research and I never see such instant indexer that is connected to all of these AI engines using both an API to instantly crawl and index URLs and show them in the set. And the advantage, like I just showed you, is crazy. You can see the rankings. Okay, let's go back. Now here I've activated all my bots. Here we have, we don't have to do anything here. And now here I have to submit all my URLs. I can choose to upload it. Okay, so I just upload my URLs and it says trial links. Yeah, this is the text, the file name. Okay, so total URLs loaded is even more than that, but the tool allows 99 depending on your subscription. Now the second steps is I'm going to validate it. Okay, we have 7 duplicates. You see, it's instantly identified duplicate URLs. So we have 7 duplicates. So the 7 duplicate URLs are going to be automatically removed. And spam risk is 0. And the CRS score is 7.5 out of 10. It's okay. Now, the next thing to do is predictive analysis. Okay, estimated running time is in seconds. We don't need to know all this. We don't need to recalculate it, nothing. So the next thing is I'm going to dispatch the crawlers. Once I dispatch the crawlers, they are going to start working and invite the crawlers to crawl the URLs and instantly index them. And I can also schedule AI drip schedule. I can also schedule the crawling and process. But then what I'm going to do now, I'm going to dispatch crawlers. Click on it, and now it's working. Look. And here we can see the percentage that is running. Okay. Okay. So now it's running. The target 12% AI post proceedings is showing us everything. Live progress report. We have Tokyo, New York, London, Frankfurt. Okay, we have 25%. Our indexing is running. So this is all. You don't have to do so much work. You don't have to be technical. You don't have to do some settings or everything. It's very simply done for you. So all you have to do is just upload your URLs and calculate it. There's no duplicate. The system is going to do everything for you instantly. And all I have to do is just sit and wait. So this is how you use the instant indexer from Optilink AI. Indexing service is very, very, very important when it comes to SEO. People are finding it difficult to have their URLs and their pages indexed or their backlinks indexed. With Optilink AI Indexer, you have everything indexed instantly. Some show instantly in the SEP, some need some time, some need 1, 2, 3 days and can take up to a week like we see before. The rest, what remains from Google to show them in the SEP, we don't have control over that, but we make sure all your URLs are crawled and indexed instantly. So this is how it works. If you find this video interesting, subscribe and follow my channel. I'll be coming up with more. And you can also try the instant indexing and process to see how your URLs are going to be indexed. And here we have submission successfully. Indexing submission works only once a day. Do not run it again. Please close this page now. Okay, so now I'm going to click on close. I'm done. I can check here. We have index, 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 index. Here we can see failure 79. Average time 445 milliseconds. Index 657. URLs have been indexed. So this is how you can take advantage of the instant indexer to index your URLs with Optilink AI. Consider subscribing to the channel and see you in the next video.